Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to A tutorials. With just one day left for the ICT exam, I have prepared a quick revision to help you go through the most important topics fast. Stay with me till the end and let's make this revision count. So without wasting our time, let's begin. Computers have changed the way we live, work, and communicate. They were first developed as large machines using vacuum tubes, later replaced by transistors, and now we have powerful microprocessors in modern computers. Exam tip. Now the evaluation of computers and their impact on society. There are different types of computers based on their power and use. Supercomputers used for research and simulation. Mainframes handle large data processing in banks and businesses. Mini computers used in medium-sized companies. Microcomputers, everyday devices like desktops or laptops. Exam tip: be prepared to define these types with examples. A computer consists of various components working together. Processor, CPU, the brain of the computer. Memory, stores data temporarily, RAM and permanently, ROM. Hardware, physical components like keyboard, mouse, monitor. Software, programs that make the computer function. Exam tip: understand the role of CPU and memory types. Application software is designed for specific tasks. Word processing, MS Word, writing and editing documents. Spreadsheet, Excel, data analysis, calculations. Database management system, DBMS, organizing large data. Limitations: requires updates, system compatibility issues. Exam tip: be ready to explain the importance of application software. System software manages computer hardware and applications. MS-DOS, command line based operating system. Windows, graphical user interface, GUI, widely used. Linux, secure open source operating system. Exam tip: understand the differences between system and application software. CBIS helps in data processing, storage, and management. Methods of input and processing: keyboards, scanners, CPUs, data storage units, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes. RAID and backup system ensures data safety. Exam tip: be prepared to define RAID and backup system. Computer facilities can be structured in two ways. Centralized computing or processing is done in one place. Distributed computing, multiple locations share computing resources. Exam tip: know the difference between centralized and distributed computing. Data communication allows devices to share information. Transmission types: simplex, one way; half duplex, both ways, one at a time; full duplex, both ways simultaneously. Communication media: wired Ethernet cables, wireless, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Network topology: star, central hub, bus, single cable, ring, circular connection. LAN, WAN, MAN, different network scales. Exam tip: understand the differences between LAN, WAN, and MAN. The internet connects the world and the www provides web-based services. History started as ARPANET. Internet services: email, cloud, storage, social media. Web browsers: Chrome, Firefox, used for accessing websites. Search engines: Google, Bing, help find information online. Exam tips: learn about internet history and search engines. E-commerce allows businesses to operate online. B2C, business to consumer, Amazon, online stores. C2C, consumer to consumer, eBay, OLX. Business to government, B2G, government contracts. Exam tip: know the types of e-commerce models. Online security is crucial to protect data and privacy. Threats: viruses, malware, DOS attacks. Online fraud, phishing, identity theft. Privacy risks in social media. Protection measures: strong passwords, firewalls, antivirus. Avoiding suspicious links. Exam tip: understand phishing, malware, and online threats. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to help you succeed. Revise key terms and definitions. Go through past papers and practice MCQs. Get a good night's sleep before the exam. Stay calm, manage your time, and read the questions carefully. That's it for your quick ICT revision. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Best of luck for your exam. Allah Hafiz.